Tomorrow's gonna be a big day. We get to go home. But before we get home, before we leave, we're gonna have to get a circumcision. I know. It's gonna be an experience that way down the line, you don't even remember how it felt or anything. But tomorrow, you'll be in pain. It's gonna hurt. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's gonna hurt. So just man up. You got this. You're Davis. Okay? You got this. Okay? Alrighty? I know you're in shock right now. Yeah, that's right. You got this. Alright. Good talk. Good talk. Team Davis.